Hello everyone. Today we are discussing about the radiographic testing in NDT. First of all, what is NDT? NDT is it's a non-destructive testing. It refers to array of inspection method that allow inspectors to evaluate and collect the data of the materials and systems or the component without permanently altering it. And NDT have many type of NDT. One is LPT, liquid penetrating test, and MPT, magnetic particle test, and UT, ultrasonic test, and RT, and radiographic test, and eddy current, and so on. Now, we particularly discuss about the topic is radiographic testing. First of all, what is radiographic testing? Radiographic testing is a non-destructive method to use X-ray or gamma ray to easily examine the internal structures of the manufacturing component to identify any flaws and defects, and in a radiographic test placed between the radiation source. Now shall we move to next slide, that is introduction of radiographic testing. In NET radiographic testing is the most important widely used method. Radiographic testing is a number of advantage. The only one disadvantage is a health risk. Is radiographic testing to use any type of metal and materials to find defects of subsurface and surface phase. Now, the principle of radiographic testing. It is based principle to radiation absorbs and scattered as it passes through an object. There is variation thickness, density, object more or less radiation passes through an effect of film exposed. The film exposes shown up the film usually dark area. Now see the image, the thickness will be lessened and image will be darker area. The left side image will be radiation. How to radiography is performed. Now, when it will come the radiography testing, the history of radiography testing is in during the World War II, the German physicist of 1895, the Ulrich German physics professor Hilm Rogiston noticed the nearby fluorescent in screen painting and Burnham to examine the green flow in source of which source iridium 192 and cobalt system became available for industrial radiography. It works and with the anode ray tube. E laboratory is noticed to observe the fluorescent in a crystal table near of the this tube. Shall we move to next topic? Next is the penetrating of radiations. The penetrating travels in a straight line. The thickness of absorbance and physical characteristics of absorbance and wavelength are the power energy, photon energy to radiation itself. These are basic properties of the penetrating. Next, we shall move to the outline of this. What we'll see about the radiographic testing. Radiographic testing is the most we are seeing electromagnetic radiation and general principle already see it. The base radiation source are scattered to the absorption and the source of radiation and gamma rays and X-rays. The image modalities and disadvantages and advantages. Next move to advantages of radiographic testing is the ability to inspect the assemble the component to the manual surface determine the crack growth and permanent record inspections. So disadvantages of radiographic testing is a relatively very expensive equipment and two side of object will be required and not possible to determine the depth and relatively slow inspections process. Is radiographic testing is a very slow intensive process if process of ND radiographic testing. Now shall we move to electromagnetic radiations? Electromagnetic radiation used to the the used radiation testing is a higher energy and shorter wavelength version of the electromagnetic waves that we see in every day. The X-ray generated with the radioactive source is a low frequency having a high wavelength and high frequency have a short wavelength. We used to do the high frequency, that means short wavelength are penetrating easily to the material and find out the defect. Now, the electromagnetic radiation, the layman's terms, light travels in oscillating in waves at a constant speed, carrying energy, instruction with the object very depending on the energy these waves carry, the constant speed carrying the energy of the oscillation waves. Next, we have to move. It's the two most commonly used in radiation industry of radiographic testing is one is a X-ray and another one is a gamma ray. We'll move to penetrating power of the radiation. So alpha radiation only penetrate with the paper and the skins. Beta is more advanced in aluminum penetrating in aluminum material, and gamma ray will penetrating lead material and any type of material without the concrete. But neutron is all of material to penetrating power having a neutron. We must use in X-ray and gamma ray. This is a process of radiographic testing video. The ray passes through an object and the film notice and defects and film will be showed on it. They'll be seeing the radiation passes through the material to defect are seen. This is a defect of this is a defect. Now, let's move to plow orientation. What is plow orientation? The parallel of X-ray to penetrating in a material, the crack will be the shown in easily, but it path X-ray not parallel at the crack, it will be not seen in the film. This is a flaw orientation. The source will be parallel to the crack. That only to find the easy to defect. Next angle of defect is the origin in between the radiation and other linear defect critical. In 0 degree angle, the inspections of defect will be seen in the radiographic film, and 10 degree angle to less than 0 degree angle to see the defect. But it's more than 10 degree angle of penetrating X-ray to not say dot film will be exposed that defects. This is a flaw orientations. And shall we move to next slide? That is radiographic testing process. The radioactive source will be X-ray film. It passes through an object, and under the X-ray film, the darkest area will be shown in a defect. The electron passes through an cathode to anode, which is negative charge of materials. It is passed. The ray will be produced. That means the X-ray. Radiographic image will be there. This is a radiographic image, normal image and radiographic image. Now we'll move to gamma ray. What is gamma ray? It's a stored source will conduct the inspections of radiographic testing. The spontaneous breakdown of atomic nucleus is resulting in the release of energy and matter is a radioactive decay. The radiation is binding energy hold the nucleus together, and the gamma ray is radioactive in the X is most radioactive material to used in industrial radiography. This process is called aviation. What is aviation? This is done by the subject table. Material source of neutron is a special nucleus reaction. This is called aviation. And radiograph the radioactive capsule is attached to an cable. What is a pixtile? The pixtile specimen cannot connected to other end attached to drive cable. This is a gamma radiation capsule. The radio source used gamma radiation are encapsulated. A device is called a camera used in store. This transport to spring style connecting to the radioactive material. The camera can shield material to reduce the radiographic exposed radiations. This is the camera of radiographic testing machines. And radiographic material will leave and return to the camera through this the open surface the exposure exit port, and camera will be having an expert port that will be fixed in a tube. The tube is it produced in the drive cable the connected to the camera the controlled in radiographic used to force radioactive material it to be guided to gamma ray passes through a specimen and record the defects film. This is gamma radiation process. Lead container and the gamma ray source passes through the test material to film holder under the test material and film in center the film holder. Having a screen, this will be shown in a filmographic film will be shown in the material defects. This is the gamma radiation, and this is the gamma radiographic source. The lab will be processing to the store instead. The source will be stored in the exposed device. The source is three type of source. One is cobalt 60 and iridium 192. This is two source will be stored in one exposed drives and produced to the radiation source to the through the pipe. And disadvantage of a gamma ray is smallest wavelength and most energy any waves in the electromagnetic spectrum. These waves are generated by the radioactive atoms nuclei exposed. And disadvantages of the gamma rays exposed times will be longer, radiation can be switched off, poorly geometric unsharpness, remote handling necessary. This basic disadvantages of the gamma ray. Yeah, most dangerous disadvantages is gamma ray is affected and skin and causes then cancer. Now we'll move to X-ray. First of all, what is X-ray? X-ray is electrons passes through an cathode is that does typically include the X-ray header. The high voltage of generometer is controlled the console. The X-ray, the cathode and the anode are connected to the two electrodes is our cathode located inside the vacuum which is provided the metal housing. One is anode and another one is an cathode. This is covered by the vacuum. This is the radiographic process. The electrons passes through anode to the cathode. Cathode contains a small filament much light bulb. This high voltage causes the free electrons to pull towards the target material located in the anode. The electrons impact against the target. The impact causes the energy exchanging which X-ray are created. The X-ray radiation source, the high voltage source or negative charge is passes through and headed the cathode and the anode will covered by the vacuum, and the cathode having one tungsten. Tungsten will be high melting point. It because his temperature is very high and heated and affected the machine. So the melting point tungsten is a high melting point tungsten will be used in a X-ray, and the anode will be passes through this electron passes through an object. That radiation source of X-ray are produced to the high voltage of positive charge. This is an image of radiographic. The thickness will be less area that will be shown in dark side, dark, and the thickness will be high. There is a less darkness. This is a X-ray radiographic source. We move to X-ray radiation images. When the X-ray radiation source will be passes through an shared object, the object of NDT testing object will be here. X-ray source passes and beam imaging in the screen. The thickness will be the high of thickness, it's a low screening effect of darkness. Another one is radiographic steady material. It's a radiography X-ray passes the defect will be several type of defects. One is crack and pores and canals and holes. The specimen will source will be passes through an object, and the X-ray film will be like this. This X-ray and gamma ray will be finished. Now we will be moved to image modalities. Image modalities mean how to film will be delivered in a filmography. How film will be delivered in a filmography. There are several type of radiographic film. Is film radiography and real-time radiography, computer radiography, and digital radiography and computer. Now we'll move to film radiography. One of the most widely used old imaging medium into the film radiographic. In the film is the film will be under to the this specimen. The protective layer. This is a protective layer is microscopic material called silver bromide. The emulsion adverbs under the protective layer and base and film. The base and between source and protective layer between the surface is the protective layer emulsion to the turned block silver and form an images is a process of computer digital X-ray film. Next, we have to move film radiography. The film will be light proof, except in dark room. Normally used in dark room, the film will be developed. In order of image will viewed, film must be developed in darkroom. The process is very similar to the photographic film development. And between the screen intensifying radiation, the film is often placed. The film radiography is like this is a film is doing the circumferential build inspector to have a film radiography, and film radiography is one order of the image vacuum. Its process is very similar development. The process can either performed manually open tasks, atomic process. This is the process of film developed. In night version photo of manual development is a manual process of tank in dark room. It's a night version film in an atomic film process. This is the automatic film process. This are used is developed film is typically referred to a radiograph. And we move to another type of radiography, that is digital radiographic. The one The image are also easily to achieved when in digital form. No darkness are needed to the process of film. The captured image will be digitally enhanced the increases details. It's a radiographic images, digital radiography formations. There are type of the digital radiography is computer radiography and real-time radiography and direct radiography and computer tomography. We'll move to computed tomography. This linear beam, laser beam passes through an optical sensor. Sensor will produce the source and imaging plate under the sensor is an object. The motor will be rotating and the photon emitter tube will be connected to the AD converter and the converter to the film. This is a computer radiography. One process, the laser beam produced in an object. Object will be produced in laser light to the image plate, and photo multiplier tube is connected to the AC converter, and the AC converter to filmography produced. The computer radiography, the component radiography, this is CR. It is process that use special imaging plates which employ the strong phosphorus. It's using the phosphorus to the special imaging. It's a X-ray penetrating specimen similar to the phosphorus, and phosphorus spin structure will be like this. The X-ray produced in the photovoltaic layers. Photovoltaic layers are particles or photographic grain and the substract. This is the process of the phosphorus screen structure. After expose the in computer radiography method, this is the photo electric of Fuji NDT. This is a photo current of Fuji. The digital image typically sent in a computer workstation where specialized the softwares allow the manipulation and enhancement. This is process of photokinetic of NDT. This is an NDT photograph example of computer radiography. A computer tomography next we will see many separate images saved and combined in two-dimensional and three-dimensional images. One film will be exposed that will be changed into two-dimensional and three-dimensional. It is used for computer tomography. And like to move real-time radiography. The real-time radiography is the radiograph allow the electrons image to be captured and viewed in real time because image quantity almost used to X-ray image cable viewed in a mode save understood manipulating part of advantages for several reasons. Its real-time radiography is X-ray tube and image identifier or other real-time detectors and computers with frame, glaber boards and softwares and simple positioning and the system and monitor and camera. This will be the real-time radiographic properties on X-ray tube and monitor and camera and sample position of the system, image identifier and the real-time indicator and board and software. The image identifier device that converted radiograph that passes specimen at the light. It is used to metal to fluorescent when the stock is by radiations. This is the identifier device. This is the identifier device of imaging of NDT radiographic testing. This camera, this will be the camera of radiographic testing in the screen located near the image screening. The monitor that connected to the camera provide the visible images. Image quality is critical for the accurate assessment of lost specimen in the test. The various tools called image quality indicator. There is two type of image quality indicator. One is hole type and one is wire type. The hole type is sized is metal to manufacture wire to different diameter mounted the next one another. The wire type of IQI, that's mean indicator image quantity indicator, is used to determine the defects. If small distance of defect will be not find in a material, it's used to IQI, that's mean image quality indicator. The wire type indicator to measure the thickness of and the diameter of the material to find the defect and easily. This is the process of the whole type IQI. The type will placed in specimen. The specimen near the it placed in wire type whole type IQI. The wire will be determined the producing and the images. And we'll see about the evaluation of discontinuities. The discontinuities conducted to the normally find include the following subtractions and order the severities. First of all, cracks. There is a different type of cracks are classified by the orientation and location. They always appear in dark, irregular, linear indicator in the radiographic most serious all discontinuities. And another one is lack of fusion. It's between the metallogenic fusion in weld pass and the base materials are between two successive welding passes. The lack fusion usually very narrow and linear and tends to be straighter than the cracked. This is a lack fusions of it placed in a weld material. And another one is the incomplete penetrating. The discontinuity of metals or area of non-fission. The root pass is built, it appearance very straight, dark, linear, usually in script of a sharpness. This is a lack of penetrating indicated. The welding appear is the lack. And another one is inclined dense and less dense. They are having variety of the shapes and dimensions regulated, short and isolated, linear to the numerous. The lighter density inclination such resulting dark images. Radiograph and the more density inclination stunning light image. The next will be strike gauge. Strike gauge is usually in form of zone of minutes fissures. The during the cooling, strike gauge come in various shapes, which will be like say, in big in the crack and holes and canals. There are several type of leakage in come to the scrinch appears in changes of density of in quite manner. Density affected on the materials, the shrinkage will be formed in several types. And the hard tears and crack. This is an isolated zone is very high resistance about the build up during the cooling of the caster. This is a hard tears and cracks will be heated in hard materials. Will be have some less sensitivity. It will be cracked in the appearance in thickness changes when the different rates of cooling causes the trust to build up. This is a radiographic images. This is also radiographic image. And radiation safety is the most important things in a radiographic testing is the safety of radiographic is used to source industrial radiography to state and federal organization due to portable and personal risk. It causes the cancer of the human and is affected on the skin. Its water molecules are passes through the electrons from the atoms and damage the molecules of the structure in cells. The X-ray and gamma ray affected the molecules and cells. Is There are means of protective to help the expansive radiation. Less time to spend near the source, less radioactive received. When is radiographic testing, the gamma ray passes through an object. You must to be less time spent in the nearby the it's a nearby the system and greater distance from the source, less radiation received. Once the radiation testing is doing and you will separate place, I'll be having a monitor in the screen of window and it became the shield in the source, less radiation received. It's a properties of radiographic testing is having one is a guide tube assembly and is a colorimeter and head and safety eyewear and destructive film executor and safety cone and steel tone boots and stopwatches and several methods. This is guide tube assemblies. If any leakage of guide tube assembly, that will spoil the whole materials and the industry also. The safety eyewear is not the radiations will be passed through an eye. It will be affected in the eyes and stopwatch will be having in what's the time to require the material passes through the source in the object. There are so many disadvantages and advantages in the radiographic testing. Controlling the radiographic exposure. When working is radiography, there is a concern two type of expansion. One is acute and chronic. First of all, what does acute mean? Acute is exposed the single accidentally exposed high dose of the radiation during the short period of time. The chronic exposure, which called the continued exposure, is long time low level overexpensive. And controlling the radiographic is limited time to spend near the source of radiation and increases the distance away from the source and using the shield to stop the reduce the level radiation. This is the basic things to avoid the is controlling to the exposure and applications for radiographic testing. It is used to inspect to conduct the under proper placement component, liquid level is measurement side component, will studied in a semiconductor device, detection of crack, broken wires, unsoldered connector, foreign metals, and misplaced component varies method are limited and the ability to the inspect the device. It is used to most type of material, both ferromagnetic and non-ferromagnetic alloys, well is non-metallic material and component. This is the application for radiographic testing. Now we will be seeing one
In
video
this
of
media, you will
radiographic
learn
testing
about the
process.
radiography testing of well works. Radiography technique is used to determine internal flaws in ferrous, non-ferrous metals, and other materials. This is also used to test the weld works. Here, the components are exposed to short wavelength radiations in the form of X-rays, where wavelength is less than 0.001 into 10 to the power of -8 centimeters to about 40 into 10 to the power of -8 centimeters. Gamma rays, whose wavelength is about 0.005 into 10 to the power of -8 centimeters to 3 into 10 to the power of -8 centimeters, from a suitable source, such as an X-ray tube or cobalt-60, can also be used instead of X-rays. Gamma rays, which are produced by radioisotopes such as cobalt-60, can penetrate through specimen and can inspect better thickness than X-rays. Specimen is tested by placing between the source of radiation and film. The film is used as a recording medium in radiography testing. Both sides of the film base are covered by protective coating and emulsion coating. The base is made of polyesters and provide transparent medium. The emulsion is a suspension of silver salts in gelatin. The emulsion coating increases quantity of radiation absorbed. Protective coating is done to safeguard the film externally. Large radiations are passed in defecting areas and the film appears to be darker. The main advantage of radiography test is that it is very much suitable for identifying flaws in thin section. And it is suitable for any type of material. Disadvantage of radiography test is that it is not suitable for detecting defects in thick sections and also in the surface of specimen. And another disadvantage is that it cannot indicate the depth of defect below the surface. Major disadvantage of radiography test is it causes health hazards. Thus, you have learnt about radiography testing.
And will be closed. And thank you to everyone